Hi, I'm Emmanuel, and if you're ready to become a certified FortiGate expert, this video is for you. By the end of this guide, you'll have the tools, resources, and tips needed to ace the Fortinet FortiGate 7.4 certification. Let's get started. The FortiGate 7.4 certification is designed to test your ability to manage and secure networks using FortiGate firewalls. The exam consists of multiple choice questions, giving you 2 hours to complete it. To pass, you'll need a score of 70% or higher. You'll be tested on key areas like deploying and managing FortiGate firewalls, configuring security policies and profiles, setting up authentication and VPNs, and handling logging, monitoring, and troubleshooting. To prepare effectively, use these trusted resources. Fortinet Official Resources. Download the FortiGate Study Guide from Fortinet's official website. Review product documentation for FortiOS 7.4. Practice exams. Use study materials on examshome.com to simulate the exam environment. Hands-on practice. Set up a FortiGate virtual lab using FortiOS 7.4 to practice configurations, policies, and troubleshooting. Effective time management is critical to passing the exam. Allocate dedicated time to each domain. Focus more on areas where you feel less confident. Practice configuring FortiGate features, such as VPNs and security profiles, to gain hands-on experience. Use flashcards to memorize FortiGate CLI commands and their functions. Schedule your exam only when you consistently score 80% or higher in practice tests. To succeed on exam day, carefully read each question to understand its requirements. Eliminate obviously wrong answers to narrow down your choices. Manage your time by not spending too long on any single question. Stay calm and confident. You've done the preparation. To sum up, passing the FortiGate 7.4 exam is about combining consistent study, hands-on practice, and the right resources. Utilize Fortinet's official guides, create a lab environment, and take study materials from examshome.com to ensure you're fully prepared. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more certification tips and guides. Share your questions or let us know your next certification goal below. I'd love to help.